Hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Okay, how is the trading? How are you doing, guys? This morning we are going to be talking about. I want to use this chance to just give you guys a live analysis on Crash 500. I'll do some other ones. We did one last time. We did Boom 1000 analysis, and you could see what is happening in the Boom 1000 we did. Look at if you watch the video, you will see that I told you guys that it's going to come here and going to sell. Okay, and see it here, it has even hit our TP, our first TP and second TP, and still going down. At this point, I'm expecting it to go a little more down, at least to this point, but to the next TP, which is somewhere here. That's where I'm expecting it to reach right now, this point here. To this point, that's where I'm putting my TP2. So if you took that trade, thank you, because you have made some made some profit for yourself. All right, today I want to tell you guys about Crash 500. All right, Crash 500 trading. I got spikes right now, but I'm not afraid. I got spikes. I just entered the market. I know it will buy, but I'm not going to be scared about that. Okay. Of course, if you are already, if you are yet to join the challenge we are doing, you are missing a lot, because we are already doing the challenge already. This is my result today in the challenge room. That's my result for today. So let me now tell you why I entered this trade. Even though I entered a bit late, I should have entered earlier from here. But let me show you why I'm not going to exit that trade right now. Okay, this is for one hour time frame. There's 1 hour time frame. Okay, let me clear all this chart. Let our chart be at least beautiful a little bit. That will be beautiful at all. Let me clear all of these things. Let me clear them. We need to get rid of them so that we have a clean chart. Now here's our chart, guys. Here's our chart. Here is 1 hour time frame, guys. Now what do I see? What do I see in this market? What do I see in this market? I'm seeing something here. First thing I'm seeing that there is a, what is it called, a swing low. This is called a swing low. Swing low here. I have a high on the left, and also a high on the right. This thing confirmed this buy. These things here you are seeing confirmed the buy. Also, you can check out on this region here, we have so many rejections. Price has been coming here to reject. Look at what's happening here all this while. Price has been coming here to want to go down, but there are many rejections around this point. Also, there are rejections in this place as well. But guess what? Price came all the way and spike and take out that level, including this level here. This is a level, but price has came, take out all these rejections here, also take out this level here, and close above with a long movement. This long movement here made it a valid breakout. Now what it does here now, it came back to retest an order block, or yes, it came to retest this zone, this level here. Okay, and that's where you see the spike ended somewhere here. So I don't expect it to come down below this line again. It should be going up. But if it comes down and break this zone here, then we are now going for sell. But I don't expect it to come down below this line right now. It should be going up from right here. This is for our time frame. Look at that again. Look at that again. The lows and the highs. So that's we have the swing low, swing high at the left both side. So I'm now going for buys in this trading opportunity. So I'm expecting it to shoot upside like this. Your first TP should be this other line there. the next TP, the next TP around here. Okay, then the third TP. These are levels you should be, because price may also react to these levels. Price may also react to this level. So you have to be very smart not to try to take the trade just like that in one direction. Let it hit TP and you close, and you wait for rejection, except you are holding for a very long time, and you can stay here for days. You can buy and stay for days. It will gonna go up. Okay, all right, that is crash 500 trade today. So if you are seeing this video today being on the 31st of July 2020, then you can take this trade. You can look for buy entry and take and ride this buy trade. Okay, that is crash 500 today. Let's see if you can see other trade to analyze. Let us check crash 1000. All right, this is crash 1000. Also, we are seeing some beautiful setup here. After all, we miss also this entry. We missed the entry as well. But then let's go back to 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame. I want to check something before. Look at that. Look at guys. Look at what do you see here, guys? I'm seeing something sweet. Something sweet. This is triple bottom. It's a triple bottom, and you know this pattern always plays out very nice. We have triple bottom here. There is somewhere. Come down here, test it. Come down here, test it. No one has gone below the level. That means the buy is massive, and we are on a 4 hour time frame. So in this 4 hour time frame, your TP is somewhere around here. Okay, but if you now go on a lower time frame, like 1 hour time frame, your TP is going to be different. You're going to set your TP at a different levels, right? But I tell you, this is going to buy for days, in fact weeks. It might buy for weeks, because this is a long buy. You can join this trade. Find a perfect entry, wait for long spike, and join this trade. It's going to buy very hard. Even though there should be sales in it on a long time frame, like 5 minutes or M15. There should be times that it will be spiking to test a levels in like here now. I'm expecting a spike to happen around this region, to come back to test this level, and then move more upside. So you need to look for good entry on a low time frame and ride it hard. Remember, use risk management, so that if it goes against you. See, I said it right now. That I said that I told you guys there should be a spike right now for to buy the trade. Now see what happened there. We see the spike happened. Hey guys, it is not magic. It is analysis. You need to learn price action to know all these things. See that I just told you that a spike will come very soon to come back to this level, and we are buying. All right, that is just it. So find entry on crash 1000 to take a long buy entry. Find entry on crash 500 to take a long buy entry, and that is that. Let me check if I can see on both 500 as well. On 500, I'm seeing a buy on the 5 minute time frame. Buys. Okay, this is M15. So I'm seeing buys in around this place. Let me check high time frame to see what it is saying on the high time frame. On the high time frame also, the buying trade might be of good important here. You should be looking for buys and this boom. This is the trend that we're looking for. Okay, it has formed a swing low and a swing high. On this place also, we have seen a swing here. That's the left one. We see a swing low down, and we see the other one here. So at this point, we are looking for buy entries. If you can hold a drop down, you can buy this trade right now and hold it for long. Your first TP is going to be in the neckline here. That is your neckline. your first TP. So when there is a breakout of this neckline, we are going for the next support level, the next supply, which is something like this at that point. And when it gets to this point, if it breaks this neckline, if it breaks that neckline, we are expecting something to happen like this. Okay, that's what we're expecting, and then we'll move a bit on the higher side. Okay, so if this neckline is broken, we are expecting price to react around this region and come back to test the neckline. And if it might come below this neckline to somewhere here, to somewhere here, that is before the massive buy opportunities. Okay, but your first entry is the neckline. If you are if it breaks out of that neckline and goes up, right? So that is just a simple thing to do. Now if you want to join our trading challenge, already we are done some trading today. Let me show you guys the VIP. We are already doing some great thing on the VIP. Like today, we are already done for today already. We have made some profit. Today is 31st of July, and look at that. We have take some trades today. We have took some trade today on the VIP, and it ended in profit. Okay, these are those that are already joined for the trading plan, and we are already set. They are already making their daily profits daily. So you still have the chance to join. And please, if you want to join this trading plan, know that it's not free. No, it's not free. Please I don't want you to come and DM me and start to plead and that you want to join but don't have money. Please, I don't like that. Okay, I've told you guys earlier enough, it's not free to join. To join the VIP, you have to pay for VIP to VIP, and it's very cheap. Look at the price here. Let me just show you so that if you're joining, you will know what you are paying for. We have the VIP here. The VIP, we have a week plan is $15, half month, 2 weeks, then a month. So this is just simple. This is very cheap. It's very little. As I made it very simple so that anyone can anyone can actually join. If you cannot go for 1 month, you can go for 1 week or 2 weeks. Then if we are proceeding, you can go for 1 month instead. Okay, so if this is just the price. So if you are seeing this thing and you're interested, you know that this is what you are going to pay for to join the VIP. For at least is $15, and your list funding is $10, because we are going for $10 to $900 in 30 days. Okay, so that is it. And me personally, I will start officially tomorrow, being first. I will start my own officially tomorrow, being first. Okay, that's when I will clear my account. I will take my account my account down to 10. This thing here, I will take it to down to 10, so that I will start with you guys. You see guys, I told you guys I'm not going to exit this video. I know it will buy, guys. That is how we do it. All right, guys. All right, see you in the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video, like the video, comment on the video, and let's us hit our target. At least thank you guys for what you have done. Don't worry about the spike. It's nothing for me. I'm going to hold it back. Yeah, I don't care about what happens here. I know it's going to buy very hard, so I don't care about that. All right, so you need to have the confidence to hold your trades when you are in loss like this. All right, guys, see you in the next video, and until then, remain HumbleFx. Enjoy.